We will guide you through how to erase text in Nitro PDF. Quick disclaimer, skipping this single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, go to your computer desktop. Once you have located it, hover your cursor over the Nitro PDF shortcut and double-click it to launch the program. Give it a moment while Nitro PDF finishes loading up the main window interface, and wait until all menus and editing tools are fully displayed before continuing. Click on Open, select Computer, and then press Browse to open a File Explorer window where you can search for your PDF document. Navigate through your folders until you locate the file that you want to modify, then select your desired file from the File Explorer window and press Open to load it into Nitro PDF. After your document opens, take a look at the top ribbon navigation tabs and locate the Erase tab. Navigate to the Erase tab bar and click it once with your left mouse button to display the available removal tools. Look through the toolbar panel below it and locate the Whiteout tool button. Click on the Whiteout button once to activate the text erasure feature so it is ready for use. Next, hover your mouse cursor over the exact text section on your page that you want to erase. Click and hold down your left mouse button. Then drag across the text to form an opaque cover box over the selected content. Release your mouse button to apply the whiteout layer directly over the selected area. A notification warning will immediately appear on your screen asking for confirmation. Press Yes to continue with the operation. The underlying text and graphics inside that area will be permanently erased and removed. You will immediately notice a visual difference as the target text disappears into a clean white background. Finally, press the Ctrl and S keys together on your keyboard to save the updated document.